Hi, I'm Sharif Sunshine Shocker at AES Solar in marvelous Carterville, Illinois. Today we're going to talk about racking. What we have on our display roof is iron ridge racking. It's aluminum so it won't rust. It's nice and light on your roof. Iron ridge racking is warranted for 20 years. We use racking to mount everything with your system. It's used for grounding. This actually bites into the sides of the panels, mounts here. It saves a little bit of wire. There used to be a grounding wire, now it's just directly through the racking. It has wire management built in. These little clips clip all the wires from the panels and the microinverters in. Snap in, they stay secure. There are installers who are using zip ties to hold the mounting when those break. Shingles are rough, it really beats up the wire. And it may cause you need to replace a panel or get somebody up there to remove a panel and replace wiring. It also gets the panels off the roof. There's a product out right now that's flash all the way around, so this is sealed. Panels get hot. They underproduce when they're hot, about 0.4% per degree centigrade. So when you stop the airflow underneath, you just lose production. And because they get hot under there, the cool air here rises and you get flow underneath, keeping the panels cool. These are mounted with these flash footings here. Those go up 2 layers of shingles and are sealed underneath with some adhesive to protect your roof so you don't get leaks. We've never had a roof leak. We're proud of that. And that's with the care that we put the racking up with. Remember, not all solar systems are the same. Get the AES advantage.